Hello everyone. So my name is Radhika Sahu. I am assistant professor of psychology at Sage University Bhopal, and today's lecture is about neuron. So today we are going to discuss the basics of neuron, the basic elements, basic components, basic structure of neuron. And there will be a very brief and short, I can say, elaboration of the topic. And in the further parts, in the next lecture, we will be going in depth on this particular topic. Number one. So, starting with the basics. What is a neuron? Actually, neuron looks like this. So, this is a picture of a neuron. So, I have attached this picture so that to make clear that the colors um, mentioning different parts to make it more clear. And this is not the original image of neuron how it is shown in Google, but then this is a more basic and understandable type of picture which by which your basic concepts are going to get clearer. So neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. So as you all know that a body has a nervous system. Okay, and neurons are a part of this nervous system which have a very important and crucial role. And it has a structural as well as functional role in the nervous system. Neuron is also specialized in electrochemical impulse, uh, is specialized to conduct electrochemical impulses called nerve impulses or action potential. So what is action potential? We are going to discuss this further, but then also I want to tell you that neurons helps you in transmitting messages from one part of the body to the other part of the body, and they are the messengers. They are called as the messengers in a human body. Neurons are the longest cell of our body. So these are the longest cell we have different types of cells. We have glial cells. We will discuss this in further lectures, but then these are the longest cells of our body. Okay, so this is the structure. As you can see, the blue circle in the middle is the nucleus. Okay, that is the nucleus, and the green part you can see is the cell body